Hello everybody, Olena Spicers here, and I'm going to show you my design team project for one of the Release the Craftin junk journaling kits called Witch in the Garden. It is available in their shop on their website and also in their Etsy store. I really enjoyed working with this kit, and I created this journal that turned out to be quite fat. So I have this elastic holding it for now, but I might come up with a different closure later. But first I wanted to show you these 4 oversized tags. I absolutely love these oversized tags that Priscilla comes up with. And once I made my journal, these don't quite fit in the pockets that I made inside the journal, but I can definitely use them as bookmarks or even just for decoration or maybe in another projects as well. So here's a gorgeous moon with a snake, and then on the back I did a collage using some of the elements from the kit as well. And then this one is the moon card, has some mushrooms on it. I really like this uneven jaggedy edge on the bottom of it. And again, I created a collage with additional images from the kit. Another one with a crystal. And I did the same thing here yet again, created another collage in the back. And I have seen April at Pink Hot Bird to do these sort of tags with different collage elements and then stitch over them. So this is what inspired me to make these. And then here's for the journal. I used a hardcover book and I just reinforced the spine with bookbinding tape outside and inside the book. And I used a huge majority of the images I used are from Releasethecraftin, Witch in the Garden collection, but there are just a few, including this one, that came from another printable. The saying is, there's a series of these sayings, and they're all from Releasethecraftin shop. I used a die cut, which is hat, and also a couple of jams that I kind of used throughout the book for continuity. This would be a great "this book belongs to" type of label. Again, just gorgeous, gorgeous images from this kit. The kit comes with moon phases, and so I have used them all throughout the book as well. Garden Witch. And then these tags also have quotes on them, and I did some collaging on the back as well. I absolutely love this snake image. I used coffee dyed papers here. There's another one of the moon phases. Well, these gorgeous elements from the kit just complement each other so well. And I think this was an envelope, but again, I like to tear them up and use them in collage clusters. And I like how the stitching looks in the back and you can write inside. Little flag from the kit as well, really cute jar. These cats are so cute. They're used throughout the journal kit design, and I love all the symbols that are covering them. Little ticket from the kit as well. And then this was my doing. I printed the images first, and then I decided I wanted to coffee dye on the back, and so once I did that, some of this printer ink ran, so again the images look just fine in the kit. This was my mistake, so now I know to coffee dye first and then print. And then there are 4 elements, a tag for each element, so this one is air. And I just left them blank on the back, thinking it could be fun to do some writing about each one of the elements, do some research. Gorgeous, gorgeous image of this butterfly. I saved it for the center spread in the first signature. I like these subtle crystal designs and also how the paper looks as if it were crumbled. More elements from the kit. And here's an envelope. For now I just left it empty and I did some stitching on it. Again, I just really love the snake image. Witch's brew looks fun. Here's another one of these jars with fireflies in it. And another moon face here. And again, same situation here, although this one didn't get affected as much. But again, I printed it first, then I coffee dyed it on the back. But the images in the kit look just fine. This particular image is from another kit. Another one of these stacks. There are 3 of them total. Each one has a quote. And I collaged the back with all the images from the kit. And again, some of them were corner pockets or envelopes that I just ripped out the images from them to use in clusters instead. Cute spider with a moon on his back. Again, I just, like, every time I see the snake, just gorgeous. And one of the moon phases. Here's the title of the kit, A Witch in the Garden. Beautiful image with this crystal and butterfly. I also really like this image. I used a larger version of it at the end of the book. Here's those kitties again. That's the fire element, and again I left it blank on the back to be able to write some notes. And overall I think I'll have to use most of this book for writing because it just again came out so stuffed. Another image for the center spread. And here's yet another element, and this snippet is from the kit as well. Love this beautiful raven too. Spider web. This image is not from the kit, but this one is. Look at this owl. And then another one of the moon phases. An envelope from the kit, and I just used one of the, I think it was a corner pocket, so I ripped out this image, stitched around it. And then I put one of the jars, little jars from the kit here. It would be fun to maybe write some kind of recipe on it. And then one of the moon phases with a cute little rabbit. And then again, this image is not from the kit. This is the last signature. Here's one of the, oops, sorry for the shake here. One of the tags, again, that I collaged on the back of it using all the elements from the kit. Here's another one, full-size raven Sun tarot card. Beautiful bat. I really like bats. They're my favorite Halloween image or Halloween creature. Really like this page as well. Just the colors and the message. One more of these. And then the water element. I think this is the last one of the 4. Last center spread, or center spread for the last signature. One of those tri-fold tags. Here's the back of it, and then the front. Image from the kit. Cute little rabbit that I stitched around. This was misprint on my printer. I think I was running out of ink, but everything else printed fine, so I saved it. Look at this gorgeousness. Really like the pattern on this paper as well. Magic from the ground up. Moon herbs. And again, just me doing coffee dyeing after the fact. Last phase of the moon. And here's the very back of the book. This image is not from the kit, but the rest of them are. And this is that hand I was talking about. Just absolutely beautiful, beautiful image. So you probably noticed by now that I don't know how Priscilla does it, but every time she seems to come up with even more gorgeous kits. I always look forward to them. And again, they're available on their website, Releasethecraftin, or in their Etsy store. I really enjoyed working on this journal, and it felt very grounding as I was working on it, and I think it's just the images, the vibe of the images that Priscilla used in her kit just made me feel, again, grounded and at peace. I really enjoyed the process. Thank you very much for looking at my journal. I hope you check it out, and if you make something with it, please tag me or message me. I would love to see it. Thank you.